Hi, I'm David and I'm part of the Carolina Footwear Design and Development team. I'm here to talk to you today about the Linesman series. Climb high with confidence in our American Built Linesman Boots, brought to you by Carolina. Our Linesman boots are offered with a Vibram one-piece rubber outsole for extreme durability. Available in safety and non-safety toe because we know you need options. All Linesman styles meet ASTM standards for electrical hazard and impact and compression. Available in brown and black leathers with 10-inch and 16-inch boot heights. Available with our 100% waterproof scuba liner membrane and non-waterproof options. Most styles are complete with a pour-on performance cushioning insole, but CA 904 cradles you with a removable AG7 polyurethane footbed, providing you with the comfort you need to do your best day after day. These handsome boots, proudly crafted in Martinsburg, Pennsylvania, with the exception of CA 904, are built for the American putting in a long work day. That's the Carolina way, built for work.